Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how thermal shirts are made from merino wool, step by step.
It all starts with humane shearing and careful handling to preserve fiber quality.
Merino sheep grow ultra-fine fibers, ideal for breathable warmth.
We remove contaminants early to protect downstream efficiency.
Each lot is weighed and tagged for full traceability. Compressed bales protect fibers for transport. Every bale is clearly marked before leaving the farm. Careful stacking prevents compression damage.
Bales are secured for the trip to the mill.
From pasture to processing, our journey begins.
At the hub, loads are staged for containerization.
Staged in grids, each lot is scanned and confirmed. We prepare the container to keep fibers dry and clean.
Balanced loading protects structure and makes unloading safer.
Loads are strapped and sealed for transport.
Next stop, the processing mill.
Every shipment is verified upon arrival. We unload and log each lot for intake. Staged bales move directly to preparation. Digital tracking follows every bale through the line.
We open the bale and release fiber tension.
Micron and length defined how the lot will be processed. We remove any seeds or debris that survived skirting.
Prepared fiber is metered into the washing system.
Scouring removes oils, dust, and lanolin. Multiple rinses balance cleanliness and softness. Dewatering sets the stage for efficient drying.
Gentle drying protects crimp and loft.
Fibers recover loft after controlled drying. Blending ensures consistent fabric later. Even feed prevents web defects. Fibers align into a continuous sliver.
Combing raises softness and evenness.
Drafting equalizes variation before spinning. Twist locks fibers, balancing strength and softness.
Binding delivers clean, knot-free cones for knitting.
We confirm count, strength, and evenness.
Sorted cones feed the knitting line seamlessly.
A final yarn check prevents defects downstream. We set up the knitting line for continuous production.
Conditioning equalizes moisture, so merino yarn knits evenly.
A controlled wax film reduces friction and needle wear.
Every cone is traceable from farm lot to finished garment.
Evenness metrics keep fabric texture consistent.
Creels are loaded to feed each knitting cylinder continuously.
A safety and readiness check prevents downtime.
Startup tuning locks stitch length for thermal texture.
Vision checks keep the knit's micro pockets uniform.
Batches are routed for washing and dimensional control.
Compaction sets the fabric to the target width and shrink profile.
Tentering balances hand feel with dimensional control.
We tag and trim minor defects before cutting.
Staged rolls are assigned to cutting plans.
Smart nesting reduces waste and keeps sizes accurate.
Flat spreading ensures precise cuts later.
Computer-guided cutting gives consistent panels.
Cut panels are kitted into size-marked bundles for sewing.
Edges are secured to keep seams clean and durable.
Accurate notch matching keeps the fit true. Guided jigs set sleeves smoothly and repeatably. Balanced tension prevents seam waviness.
Soft, covered seams keep the neckline comfortable. Elastic hems hold shape without restricting movement.
Pressing sets the silhouette and smooth seams.
Dimensional checks confirm a consistent fit. Surface durability is validated to resist pilling.
We verify shrink control across care cycles.
Safety and tidiness checks before packing.
Clear labels guide sizing and care. A final pass ensures consistent appearance before boxing. Accurate positioning sets up reliable seams.
Reference marks keep parts aligned in sewing. Bundles move to their dedicated stations on time.
staged parts keep the line moving smoothly.
Clean shoulder joins anchor the fit. Controlled ease prevents puckers and preserves comfort. Strong, tied side seams complete the body tube. Collar and cuffs lock in shape and comfort.
We add soft seam covers and prepare labels for comfort and clarity. Tiny details are cleaned so nothing irritates the skin.
Reinforcement keeps the shoulder line true over time.
A quick audit ensures all joins are correct before finishing.
A light steam relaxes seams for a clean drape.
Finished assemblies move to pressing and surface finishing.
Pressing defines edges and sets the garment shape.
We protect the surface to resist fuzz and pilling.
Internal marks stay flat and readable without irritation.
A last cleanup readies each piece for inspection.
Visual checks confirm a consistent, premium finish.
We verify key dimensions match the size standard. Anything off-spec is reworked before it can pass.
Approved pieces head straight to packing.
Fabric weight is verified to keep warmth predictable.
Seams must hold under movement and stress.
We simulate care cycles to control shrinkage.
Thermal mapping confirms real warmth retention.
We validate surface durability against pilling.
With every metric met, the lot is cleared for packing.
Each shirt is folded, bagged, and labeled clearly.
Boxes are built with the correct size mix per order.
Barcodes and batch labels ensure traceability. Pallets are secured for safe transport. Shipments are staged and booked for pickup. Finished goods flow to the trucks. We load and brace cartons for a stable ride.
Paperwork clears and the shipment rolls out.
Merino Thermal Shirts head to retailers and warehouses. In cold workplaces, Merino keeps warmth close and breathable.
On the trail, it wicks, insulates, and stays comfortable.
From responsible farms to precise factories, every step preserves quality. Merino wool from nature becomes a precision-made thermal shirt, engineered for comfort, ready for the cold.